Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable network discovery and file sharing, and make sure the folder is local and not in cloud-only storage. Once those are set, right-click the folder, open Properties, and go to the Sharing tab. From there, click Share, select Users or add a specific account, and pick permission level, Read or Read/Write. This gets you into the first actionable configuration quickly. Make sure the account names you choose match the network user accounts you expect. Once done with the basic share dialog, move into Advanced Sharing for finer control. Click Advanced Sharing, check Share this folder, set the share name, and limit concurrent users if needed. Next, click Permissions to assign full control, change, or read to specific users or groups. Then verify NTFS permissions on the Security tab so both share and file system rights align. You do this because mismatched permissions cause access failures. Keep permissions minimal for security and document any changes you make. Make final changes, apply and close dialogues, then verify access from a client using \\hostname \sharename or by mapping a network drive. If you map, choose Reconnect at sign-in and supply alternate credentials when required. Confirm file creation and permission behavior from the client to ensure both share and NTFS rules take effect. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot see or access the share, check the host firewall and Windows network profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.